Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the book $1 Million Weekend, which lays out an incredible strategy to launch your own business in just a weekend. If you've ever dreamed of being an entrepreneur but didn't know where to begin, this guide is for you. Let's break it down so you can take action today. Section 1. The myth of the right idea. Many people believe they need the perfect idea before they can start a business. But that's just a myth. The truth is, successful businesses are built through action, not just ideas. Waiting for the right moment will only hold you back. Here's a mindset shift. Instead of asking, "How do I do this?" start asking, "What is the smallest action I can take right now?" Every great entrepreneur understands that the path becomes clear after they take action. You don't need all the answers up front, just a willingness to start. Section 2. The customer-first approach. The biggest mistake people make is building something before verifying if anyone actually wants it. Instead of focusing on your idea, focus on your potential customers. Who do you want to serve? What problem can you solve for them? Here's how you can validate your idea instantly. Identify 3 potential customers and ask them about their biggest pain points. Listen to their actual needs and frustrations. Offer a quick solution and see if they'd be willing to pay for it. If they pay, congratulations. You've just validated your business. If they don't, that's valuable feedback. It means you need to refine your idea before investing too much time or money. Section 3. Finding business ideas from your own problems. Struggling to come up with a business idea? The best way to start is by looking at your own daily frustrations. Ask yourself, what problem did I face today that annoyed me? What task have I been putting off because it's too complicated? What product or service do I wish existed but can't find? Every problem is a potential business opportunity. The best entrepreneurs recognize these moments and turn them into solutions that others are willing to pay for. Section 4. Sell before you build. One of the biggest mistakes people make is building a product before securing buyers. Instead, flip the process. Sell it first, then build it. For example, if you want to create an online course, make a simple landing page explaining what the course will offer. Announce a pre-order discount for early buyers. If enough people purchase, then you know it's worth building. If no one buys, you've just saved yourself months of wasted effort. The best businesses start with paying customers, not assumptions. Section 5. Action over perfection. A lot of people hesitate because they feel they're not ready. But the truth is, no one ever feels 100% ready to start a business. Successful entrepreneurs don't wait for the perfect moment. They take action now, refine along the way, and learn from real-world experience. Your goal isn't to build a massive company overnight. Your first goal is simple. Get your first 3 paying customers. Once you achieve that, you're no longer just an aspiring entrepreneur. You're officially in business. Conclusion. Take action now. So, what are you waiting for? Stop overthinking and start doing. The perfect idea doesn't exist. You create it through action. Drop a comment below and let me know what small step you're taking today to move toward your business dreams. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.